The first time I learned about the financial market, it was not funny for me, and it was quite an experience. And I started off by trading cryptocurrency, and I was not taught how to trade. I was only taught how to place a trade. And when the person who introduced me to the mentor learned of the amount I was trading with, then I was trading with $200, and the guy said, "You don't blow," and giving me hope. I don't want to say it was a false hope, but you know the truth. I want them blow me. Oh. Oh, God. Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is MEKZI, and on this channel I document my trade. I've been trading for quite a while and I've not really taken it serious because of the fatality that I have suffered in the market, and it's not funny. It's quite an experience for me, and God has been seeing me through the financial markets. You know, a lot of people came into the markets thinking that in 1 month, in 2 months, in 3 months, in 1 year, they will buy a Lamborghini or you will buy a Ferrari. Now, men, they face it. But that's just by the way. So I have decided to take the trading thing serious, and I am on this channel to document my real trading journey and also be an inspiration for those of us who may want to give up because of what you have experienced as a trader. You came in with false energy. I call it false energy because most of us were not taught the basics, that there are things you need to work on when you join or become a member of the financial markets. Like I said, I started off by trading cryptocurrencies and I was not told the real thing. I got to discover it by myself because I learned how to trade the hard way, and I don't want you to learn the hard way. Though I'm saying this, I am not here to mentor anybody. I'm just here to document my own journey, and I'll be doing this using a prop account. Yeah, I've traded with my funds. I've lost my funds. I made money from the financial market actually, and I lost almost everything, and I had to start from beginning again. So if you are someone who believes that success is built quietly, and you are tired of fake lifestyle, or you are tired of chasing persons who promise you wealth, but you are seeing poverty encroaching daily, please, I'd like you to subscribe to this channel, okay? I am not here to claim that I'm going to save you from what you have suffered, but we're going to see how God will carry us through the journey. So I'm here simply to document my trade. I will be journaling my trades. Yes, any trade I take, I will journal it. I'll come here, show why I took the trade, the criteria I must see, or the things I must see on the chart before I take any trade. I don't just jump into trade. Yes, as a beginner, I was actually doing that. Now at the intermediate level, I think I shouldn't do that again. So I'm bringing my content to this YouTube platform to be an inspiration to you, to be a motivation to you in case you have been trying and you are not seeing results. Yes, there are points you will not see results. If anybody has told you that before you came in, I think you will be more prepared. We were not told to prepare. We were just told about the profits. Nobody told us about the losses. So this is just what I am here to do, and I need your support. You also get my support. Most of my trades, before I take the trades, I am sure I'm going to post them here. I'll do my analysis, post my analysis here. If you are opportune to see it, you can take trades with me. So that's what we are just here to do. We are here to grow. If you are someone who desires to grow, please subscribe to this channel and also turn on your bell notification. And also, if you know someone who wants to embark on the trading journey, a real journey, and you want to follow someone who is also towing the same step, please share this video with them, okay? And also give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can also share it with persons who are interested in content like this. In my next video, I'm going to talk about how I came about trading. And in another video, I'm going to talk about the mistakes I made when I started seeing profit. I am not saying when I became profitable, but when I started seeing profit, I made a very fatal mistake. And I know a lot of us are still going to make this kind of mistake. So to avoid this mistake, I'm going to talk about it. I'm going to encourage you and tell you what to do so that you will not fall victim to this. I fell victim to it. It destabilized me. So I almost buried myself, but thank God for grace. Thank God for my wife. You're going to hear about this in my next video. That being said, I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day.